Good morning. Today we will talk about electric circuit. First of all, we need battery or power supply as a source of electric charge and source of electric energy. Now we have battery of voltage 10 volt. I mean here 10 volt, each charge has energy 10 joule. So voltage or EMF of battery indicates to quantity of energy carried by each charge. Then, of course, we will need wire. Usually we use copper, as copper contains free electrons to transfer electricity from one place to another. Switch to open and close the circuit. And remember, you have to close the switch. And then a meter and voltmeter. Why do we have to use voltmeter? Voltmeter is very important tool to find the value of EMF or voltage of battery. And as we see, voltmeter is connected in parallel and the voltage here is 10 volt. But voltmeter also is used to find the electric potential difference between 2 points. Now, we are going to use resistor. Usually, the resistor here is used to decrease the flow of current. It's opposition to the flow of current. And you have to remember to use another wire. And what else? We need to use a meter. But why we need to use a meter? A meter is used to find the value of electric current intensity passes through a wire. And finally, we will close the circuit. Till this moment, there is no current. A switch here is open. So when we close the switch, what will happen? Now, by closing the switch, the electric current start to flow. And usually, if we are talking about conventional current, it moves from positive to negative, as we know. Then, what is the value of current? It's 1 ampere. Why? Current is voltage divided by resistance. The voltage here, or EMF, is 10 volt divided by 10 ohm equal 1 ampere. By connecting the voltmeter in parallel to the resistor, we will find that the value of potential difference between the two terminals of resistor is approximately 10 volt. When I say the potential difference is 9.998 volt, it means it's 10 volt. So most of the energy used by the charge to be able to travel from one place of resistor, from one side of resistor to the other side. If we are going to use another resistance, and I mean here by another resistance, light bulb. Light bulb contain filament of higher resistance. It can change the electric energy into light and heat energy. We will use, as usual, wire to connect between the two terminals of bulb with the electric circuit. And now, what will happen? As we see, the potential difference between the two terminals of resistor is halved. Instead of 10 volt, it becomes approximately 5 volt. Why? The potential difference here received by resistance is 5 volt, and also by the resistor is also 5 volt, as we see. So 5 volt plus 5 volt is 10 volt. This type of connection is called series connection. In this connection, as we see, the value of resistance is doubled. 10 ohm plus 10 ohm of lamp is 20 ohm. To find the value of current, current equal V over R. The voltage is 10 volt divided total resistance 20. 10 divided by 20 is half ampere. So remember, by using this type of connection, the potential difference is divided between the two components of resistor, and here the current has only one way to move through. The electric current is halved due to doubling of the resistance. And thank you.